have 4 mini keychain frames here, one for each of our contestants. Today's challenge is to fill these frames with glitter dots. Now, we're only giving them 2 minutes to complete it, so we have pre-peeled some of the glitter dots for you. This may seem pretty easy, but there's a catch. They're gonna do it blindfolded! Let's meet our contestants. Sandy, Aiden, JJ, and Tyler. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock. And go! Whoa, Aiden and Sandy start us off with a satisfying squish. That is a thing of beauty.
Pretty sure this is the ear. I'm pretty sure this is the ear.
Got that right, Tyler. Keep going.
There we go. I think I put it that one.
All right, keep at it, Aiden. Good job. Uh-oh, JJ's having some trouble finding her glitter dots.
This is teal.
You can do it, JJ.
I'm not sure if this is teal. I hope it is.
Wow, good intuition, Tyler. You did grab the teal glitter dots.
I could do this all day. Where's that spot I just had?
Come on, Sandy, you can find it.
Found it.
There you go. Good job. All right, kids. Time's running out. Start adding the final touches. 5 seconds left. Let's close those keychains. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. All right, let's take a look.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, it's so good. Cool.
Wow, these are incredible. I honestly don't know who won. Look at that shimmer. What fine line work. Wow, that's one sparkalicious pup. Look at that color combination. Since everyone's keychains were so good, everyone gets a glitter dot celebration! You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.